Hey, welcome. We're so glad you could join us today. We here at EM-Wave welcome you to view our twist mount bracket installation video, model number EM-B40004 40004. Now, one important thing to remember before you install. This twist mounted bracket is intended for the direct attachment to any suitable interior ceiling, any comprising hard surface such as sheetrock, drywall, wood, or metal materials. The twist mount bracket is intended to support two of our great IDAS antennas, and in particular for installations where the mounting accessibility is only achieved from one side, which would be the interior side of the surface. So let's move on so that you can see just how easy this installation can be. Verify all the parts are included with the twist mount bracket kit, one each of the twist mount bracket, and 3 pieces of a number 8 by 3/4 inch long flathead countersink screw. Before you start your installation, you will need one each of either our EM-B40004-NJ or EM-B40005-NJ antennas, which are sold separately. You will also require 3 each of an anchor suitable for sheetrock, drywall, or other hard surface material for the planned installation. The anchors are not included with the kit. You will also need a drill, a Phillips screwdriver bit, and a 1-inch hole saw. Please note that the antenna can be mounted to non-metallic or metallic conductive surfaces. First, you need to identify a suitable interior ceiling mount location. Route the N-type male coaxial feed cable directly behind the installation location. Attach the twist mount bracket template to the ceiling using a non-marking painter's tape or a similar attachment method. Mark the location for the center of the twist mount bracket and the 3 mounting holes. Drill the 3 outer holes. The drill bit size will be determined by your decision to use anchors, which are not supplied, or simply driving the number 8 by 3/4 inch long screws directly into the surface. Using a 1-inch diameter hole saw, drill a hole through the surface at the center of the twist mount bracket location. Remove the template from the surface. If using anchors, attach the anchors into the pre-drilled holes. Be sure to follow all manufacturers' recommendations and limitations for the anchor system installation. Pull the end-plug male feed cable down through the 1-inch center hole. Attach the twist mount bracket to the mounting surface, securing all 3 screws through the bracket. Verify screws are flush to the bracket and secure. Careful, don't over-torque the screws. Remove the plastic nut, which is not required for the hard surface application. Attach the terminated feed cable with the end plug connector to the antenna end jack connector. Secure the RF coupling with a firm hand torque. Insert the couple feed cable through the cable entry hole. Align the antenna backplate and gently press the antenna upward into the receiving tabs of the twist mount bracket. Rotate the antenna mating slots counterclockwise until alignment with the tabs is confirmed. Continue alignment and rotation until you hear the antenna click into final position. This completes your installation.